Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. I hope you all are doing very well. Welcome back to my channel Learn with Miss Neelam T. This is Neelam from Learn with Miss Neelam T. Today I am back with another video. In our previous videos we have already covered lesson 1 and lesson 2 of unit number 4, recycle bin and insert ribbon. If you haven't watched those videos yet, don't worry, the links are in the description below, so check them out. And now today we are going to move on our lesson number 3, which is all about tables in MS Word. So I already opened this page, that is table, why you are using it, what is the purpose of it. So let's read the definition. That is, insert ribbon in Microsoft Word has the option for adding tables into your document. Tables are used to store and organize your data. This is the basic thing that tables does to your data. It stores your data and also it organizes your data, and it would be more easy for you to manage your data. This is why I'm moving toward the next page, that how can you access the table option. For that, first what do you have to do? I am going into my search bar of Windows search bar. I would write Word, and you see Word 2016, and I'll open this Microsoft Word, and you have to open this blank document. First click on the insert tab in the top ribbon. Can you see over here? Then click on the table button. Here the insert tab, and there you go, the table button. You will see a grid pop up. Can you see that? So you can select the number of rows and columns you want for your table. For example, if you want a table with 3 rows and 4 columns, so 3 rows and 4 columns, 4 by 3. This is how you can do. And if I'm going to click on this, you will see the table is already inserted into this document. If you want to increase the size of the table, what do you have to do? From here, from the top right corner, can you see over here? You can click and drag it, and this is how you can increase or decrease the size of your table. Okay, now what else you have to learn in this? What is rows and what is column? Rows is basically this go across the table from left to right. Okay, from left to right, this is your rows. And what is column? This goes down from the table from the top to the bottom. This is columns. And what is cell? Each box in the table is a cell. Okay, this is where you enter your data. Suppose I am entering my name in this cell. So can you see, this is the intersection? We can say it is like the cell is basically the intersection of row and a column. Intersection in Venn diagram, I'm just giving the concept. This is this central point where these two circles are intersected, and this central point would be called as intersection point. In maths we call it. Okay, same is the case over here, where the row and the column intersected, and this is the place. So this is a cell, we call it as a cell. Suppose I am creating a column of this name, age, and your grades. So you can do that. If I'm suppose remove this, and there is also an option if you want to increase or decrease the row size. Okay, from here can you see I'm just dragging it, I can increase or decrease the size. Or if you can select the text, suppose from this is the text, you can select it, and you can also increase the size of your text also. Okay, and also your writing. Suppose I'm changing it into this, and also from here you can also change the layout of the table. Okay, or design of the table. From here can you see that there are multiple options you would available here. Can you see multiple options? If I click on this arrow, there are like number of designs from grid tables. You can select any design and just from one click, let me pick this one. Can you see? This is how you create tables in your documents. Okay, so let me show you the exercise of this lesson first. So this is what we have covered: how to access the table, what is rows and columns. Here is an example, like this is a row, this is a column, this is row, this is column, and this is the intersection point, we call it as a cell. And what else options do we have? Can you see that we can have, like from the table we can also insert the table by your own choice, or you can simply click on the width which I just told you. Okay, there is also that way. And also if I click on this, can you see over here insert table? It gives you the option that number of columns, how many number of columns do you want. Suppose if I want like 11 columns, and how many rows do you want. If I would say like I want 5 rows, I just have to click on this, and fixed column width I would say like auto, so that I can arrange the size like size of it. If I press on OK, can you see that this is how you can also create number of columns and number of rows. And also when I just clicked on it, can you see on the top it already moved into the design ribbon. So if I'm going to select any style from here, you can select any style from the top. Okay, this is how you can create the table. All for the today's lesson on tables in MS Word. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to practice creating the tables and organizing your data. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment below. I would love to help you out. Okay, and the last thing is, here is the exercise solution. There is only one question: what are tables used for? So you already knew that tables are used to store and organize your data. This makes it easy for the reader of the document to understand the information that has been presented. And in this, the second question, that is like color the second column as blue, so that it would be your own practice, that so that you can easily memorize that which one is a column and which one is a row. So for your own practice, color in the second column as blue and color in the third row as red. So this is how you can do. Okay, and this is your task. Student will complete this activity as described, like as a class. Collect the data of your names, iColor for the student, open Microsoft table, Microsoft Word, insert a table. You should have to select like 2 columns and 20 rows. Suppose there are number of students are 20, so you just have to select just 20 rows and 2 columns. In the first cell from the top left, you have to write name. In the second, you have to write color. In the rows and columns, you have to enter the information you have collected as class. Save your work like your name and class name, like this. Like I have created like number of columns. Okay, I'm going to tell you. If I just click on like this, like I am right now clicking on this, I just click on this and I press on this delete. Can you see it will gives you the option like delete cells, delete columns, or delete rows. If I select on this delete columns, can you see that this is how you can do. And it says like your activity is like 2 columns, so there are 2 columns, column number 1, column number 2, and 20 rows. If I moved at the end of this row and if I press enter, can you see that you will get number of rows, like whatever you want, the number of rows you can enter from this point. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.